guys, it's your girl Tay, and I'm back again with another video. I wanted to give y'all like aesthetic vibe, raw music, a little, just a little motivation to get up and clean. I've been really depressed lately about my life and everything that's going on in my life, so I just decided to get up and clean. And in this video, I had got my wisdom tooth taken out, and y'all, when I tell y'all I was so much in pain, I could not lay down. Like, I had to get up, move around, try not to focus on the pain. So if y'all see my mouth swollen, I look like a chipmunk for real. Like, my mouth looks so bad, but don't mind it. Okay, but anyway, I really decided to make this video and record because we need to be motivated. We need to get out of this slow phase where we're being lazy, procrastinating, and I'm procrastinating. I procrastinate a lot. So why not get up and clean, do something? So I didn't really do like extreme clean because my house don't be that dirty. Like, I have OCD best. My house cannot get that dirty. So my room honestly was like not the dirtiest, but the most focus point because I'm the only one that's in my room. So
a reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing because it seems so malignant.
Just look how much better it looks right now. It looks way better. So now I'm just cleaning down my little nightstand, shelf organizer, whatever. We can get these from Walmart. Mine's is kind of tearing apart, but I don't care. It's still doable.
Well, come through and chill. Just say, well, I wanna all night. Say it, I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it, I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it, I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it, I want all night.
Y'all, I love a fresh, clean, comfy set. Like, when I wash my covers and I lay down, I just feel so complete, accomplished, and like, yes, I did it. I did something. When I clean up, I just feel so good, and that's how I want y'all to feel. Y'all need to feel good when y'all accomplish something. Don't let nobody tell you like, oh, you're not gonna make it, you can't do this, because 9 times out of 10 or 100% of the time they're jealous if you didn't envy you, they want to be like you. They're mad because they're not in a position like you. And I have to tell myself like every day, like, you gotta get out and do what you love doing. You gotta accomplish this YouTube stuff. You gotta be on it with this YouTube because my numbers is going up. Once again, guys, thank y'all so much for 1.2k subscribers. I'm just so excited. I love you guys so much, and I've came a long way, honestly. So I want to let y'all know y'all can do it too. I have a lot of people saying, oh, I want to be a YouTuber, how do you do it? And it's just like, you just got to be consistent. And I've been telling myself I got to be consistent. Like I said, I'm a procrastinator, so I got to get out of that. But I'm doing so much better. I got so much videos for you guys, and I'm doing a giveaway, and I'm so excited to announce that. So I'm not gonna really talk in depth in it like right now, but like towards the end of the video I will let you know all the details and the qualifications. So yeah, y'all see how look at my face, like it's I really look so bad, y'all. Like, getting your wisdom tooth is not for the weak. They told me not to eat rice or meats and stuff because they can get stuck in my socket, and I didn't listen. So it was a bad experience for me. They say it's not supposed to hurt. You're supposed to be in pain a little bit, but y'all, I was in pain because I didn't listen. But honestly, my worst part, I hate cleaning the bathroom. I hate cleaning the toilets. I don't like cleaning the toilets. I don't care if it's my toilet or not, baby. I don't like doing that. One day I was cleaning the toilet, y'all, and the toilet water splashed on my leg. I was so freaking mad. But look at the outcome. Clean mirror, clean countertops, everything is organized, toilet is clean, floor is clean, period. Are y'all feeling the music right now? Because I'm definitely feeling it. I was searching on YouTube how I can get uncopyrighted or non-copyrighted music, and I honestly just downloaded SoundCloud and I got some mixes, mashup, remix, so you won't get copyrighted, because I got copyrighted on my last video and I say, yeah, stop playing with me. So I really love the vibe. It's giving an aesthetic vibe. Yeah. So I will leave the music in my description box below. And y'all see me just clean down my countertops, putting away silverwares and stuff like that. Honestly, I'm using oven cleaner to clean down my countertops because I ran out of cleaning supplies. And I usually go to Dollar Tree to get my cleaning supplies. Make sure y'all go to Dollar Tree for y'all cleaning stuff because it's very cheap. It's only $1.25 and they got some good stuff, like big sizes, and it's affordable. I can buy like 10 things and it'd be like $10 or $11 and change. Like, come on now. You can't beat Dollar Tree. I love a Dollar Tree.
I'm working my move, nigga. Who's on you working? I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off a version. I'm tired of these strippers. I'm going that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished. I told you be with it. My word is like gold in my city. I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low car, the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, cullin' and shouting, my driving name Sally. I keep it on point, make sure.
Hi guys, if you made it to the end of this video, make sure y'all comment down done in 21 whatever. Make sure y'all say y'all made it to the end. I just want to start off by saying thank y'all so much for getting me to 1.2 subscribers. Thank you for supporting me, just loving me, watching my videos, and I'm just super excited for this opportunity and to be doing this giveaway. So I'm about to read y'all the requirements. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on my Instagram, on my YouTube videos. The second requirement is watch the vid all the way through. I'm trying to get my watch time hours up to 4,000 because that's what I need to get monetized. So make sure y'all be watching my videos all the way through, and I can tell who's watching my videos all the way through. So make sure y'all do that. And the last thing is simple. Comment "I'm motivated" in the comment section, and that's it. So if you reach the end of this video, make sure you comment "I'm motivated" so I can know that you watched the video all the way through. No skipping, no exiting off and coming back. Make sure you watch it all the way through. I will announce the winners, I think May 9th, next week Tuesday. So make sure y'all stay connected to my Instagram. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. It's gonna be in the description box below, and I'm gonna put the requirements on the screen, so make sure y'all doing that. Make sure y'all following everything. Share to your friends, your mammy, your sister, your brother. I don't care, just do what I asked you to do. Thank you. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank y'all so much again, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.